Hi guys, good evening and welcome back. Such a big correction in our market. So after the election, June 4th election results. So this is the first time we are seeing this much big correction in our market. So let us try to see what all happened in our market. What is the reason behind this correction and such a a drastic correction in our market, massive correction, guys. So let us take a look into that and also let us try to review let us try to understand the reason behind this correction. Okay, so before going to that, let me give disclaimer that the content we are discussing is only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell recommendation, guys. Without any delay, directly let us start with our Indian market. Okay, so if you look at our Nifty 50 morning, it opened gap down, so then it started try to recover, but it did not sustain, guys. Continuously it was one sided, one way correction. There is no sign of reversal only. So it was continuously, it went down. So all and all, it closed 2.12% down, 546.80 points down, guys. So it's a very drastic correction. It has corrected from 25,800 level to 25,250 level, guys. So it's a massive correction. So let us take a look into the broad market and sectoral analysis, then come back to the reasons for that. So broad market analysis, Nifty 50 2.12% down today. Nifty next 50 is 2.338% down today. Nifty 100 is 2.16% down today. Nifty 200 is 2.17% down today. Nifty 500 is 2.13% down today. Nifty mid cap 50 is 2.29% down today. Nifty mid cap 100 is 2.21% down today. Nifty small cap is 1.96% down today. So then comes a Nifty micro cap is 1.80% down today. So if you look at the broad market indices, the large cap and mid cap has corrected more than 2%, but small cap and micro cap still managed to close below 2% correction. So it's very interesting to see. So large cap and mid cap went beyond 2%, but still small cap and micro cap managed to close before below 2% correction. So it's quite all are down only, but still small cap and micro cap gave the best. So then comes sectoral indices. Nifty bank is 2.04% down. Nifty auto is 2.88% down. Nifty financial services is 2.43% down. Nifty FMCG is 1.48% down. Nifty IT is 1.58% down. Nifty media is 2.13% down. Nifty metal is 0.66% down. Nifty pharma is 0.51% down, and Nifty PSU bank is 1.24% down, and Nifty private bank is 2.61% down. Nifty realty is star performer of the day when it comes to the correction, 4.36% down. Nifty healthcare 0.88% down. Nifty consumer durables is 1.59% down. Nifty oil and gas is 2.72% down, guys. All and all, all the sectors are in negative territory, and such a big correction, huge correction in our market. So what is the reason behind this, guys? So it's very interesting to understand the reason behind the today's market correction. There are reasons. I think you might be knowing the reasons as well. So before going to the reason, so let us take a look into the FIs and DAs activity. So this is the 3rd October, a massive selling pressure from the FIs. 15,243 crores sold in the cash segment, guys. FIs. This is the one of the major reason. Not exactly. This is also one of the reason. So at the same time, DAs bought 12,913 crores, guys. So this is resilient in our Indian market, but the FIS activity 15,000 crore sold out, and 1st October also they sold out most of more than 5,000 crores in the cash segment. So let us take a look into the reasons for our Indian market crash. So I opened one of the article from one of the website. So the key driver behind this market crash was the escalating tension in the Middle East. So as we all know that Iran and Israel are started the war in between the two countries. So the Iran's missile barrage on Israel in retaliation for the killing of Azerbaijan's Azan and Nasrallah. Iran launched 200 missiles, raising the spectre of the full-fledged war. So actually, Iran launched 200 missiles on the Israel. So because of that, Middle East tensions are these are the this is the geopolitical tension that is arised in the Middle East, because this is one of the major reason for our Indian market crash. So Israel vowed to make Iran pay for the attack, leading to the ground incursions into the Lebanon are targeting Hezbollah militia. So in the latest development, the Guardian reported that at latest 6 people have been killed and 7 injured in an Israel attack on an health center in the central Beirut. So because of that, in the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, so this is because of one of the reasons. So then comes the second reason, adding to the pressure were mixed global cues from the Asian markets, where MSCI index of the Asia Pacific share fell by 1%, led by Hong Kong's Hang Seng index, which has declined 1.6%. The Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) new rules for derivatives tradings, including a significant hike in minimum trading amounts, further dampened the sentiments on the Wall Street. So one is Middle East tension, second is the weak global cues, and the third one is the SEBI new rules on the derivatives trading because of the transaction changes. So then comes the meanwhile the FIS activity, guys. So as we just saw the data, the fund flows of FIS, they sold more than 15,000 worth in the cash segment. This is one reason. Second reason is the weak global cues, and the third one is the SEBI new rules. The main major reason is geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. So then quickly, let us take a look into the global market performance. A second, guys, it is loading. So let's take a look into the US market. S&P has closed 0.01% positive, Nasdaq 0.08%. So US market seems to be kind of a mute performance, a flattish kind of a performance, as there are no US market reacted to the Middle East tensions with a flat or mute kind of a reaction. So let's take a look into the European market performance. European market performance seems to be kind of reaction. Give me a second, guys. This are coming back. So then comes European markets has closed 0.01% down, and FTSE and the CSE 0.995% down, DX 0.6. Look into the Asian market performance except Japan market. All other markets are close negative, either negative or the flattish. So this is one of the major reasons. So one is the weak or mixed global cues and the mid relations, and the SEBI transaction charges are the main reasons for the today market crash, guys. So and one more thing is if Middle East tensions are started growing to the, if these things are started escalating to the next level, so then obviously it will impact to the crude. So if crude started rallying, then definitely that is also one more disadvantage for our Indian market. So that will definitely is going to happen, so it is already there. So we can watch out for the crude, how it is going to perform in the coming days. So definitely this Middle East tensions is going to affect the crude performance. So if crude started giving the rally, so then definitely that is also one more big negative for our Indian market. So then what as a we should take a call, right? So yeah, everybody will be having the fear, every portfolio will be down today, obviously there is no doubt about it. So what as an investor we should do? So uh, as per me, as a long term investor, we don't have to worry too much about all these things. So we have already seen the recent example as a June 4th election correction, right? So market is so much resilient, and we are so much bullish on our Indian economy. So market will come back definitely. So we don't have to worry about it. Time has to answer for it. So but the thing is, the clue is we have to figure out the fundamentally good stocks here, and after a good certain amount of decent correction, we have to start accumulating it. So don't take the decision immediately soon after watching the video. But one thing I would advise is that wait for some time, wait for the decent correction. So then we can try to get into the taking the positions or not. So we can decide on that. So but let it correct how much ever it can correct. So that's all, guys. Thank you so very much. If you like my content, please hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel. If you have any concerns, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you.